What's going on, YouTube? Dan Leon here, the #1 relocation expert in Richmond, Virginia, according to my clients. We're going to be taking a tour of Mason Yards. It's located in Scott's Addition. And if you've been in the area for a while, you've noticed the complete revitalization of the Diamond District in general. Luxury condos, just a complete revamp. Townhomes are the quickest selling new construction in Richmond, and they start at $476.33. Be sure to hit me up. They are selling quick. I am a certified new home co-broker, so I have a good relationship with all of the builders in the area, and I can give you the latest scoop and all of the latest incentives that are being offered. So be sure to hit me up. I'm always happy to be a resource. Let's take a tour.